If you've been hurt on the job, the best thing to do is give me a call to see if we can help you. You might have two different kinds of claims. The first one is if you're on the job, you automatically have what's called a workers' compensation claim. All right. In addition to that, if the injury was caused by somebody or a company who is not your employer and are not a fellow employee, then you would have what's called a third-party claim, and that's where we come into play. We will look at your case, and if there's a claim to be brought against another entity besides your employer, then we can pursue those. And that could range anything from if you're driving on the job and another person or a company hits your car, your company truck, and you're hurt, then we can pursue the claim against that other company or that other person in addition to your workers' compensation claim. That's a third-party claim. Other situations are, for example, if you're working on the job and the machine you're working with malfunctions or is defective and you're badly injured. So again, you would have your workers' compensation claim with the state, but in addition to that, you may have a third-party products liability claim against the manufacturer of that machine or piece of equipment, and that's where we come into play. If it's a straight workers' compensation claim and you were injured on the job and it was nobody's fault, or maybe it was the fault of one of your fellow employees or your employer, then it's a straight workers' compensation claim. It's probably not one we would handle, but the best thing to do is give me a call and we'll listen to your story, and if it's something we can help you with, then we will. If it's a straight workers' compensation claim, then we'll refer you to a lawyer that we think handles that kind of work really well. But again, give us a call, and it costs nothing to talk to us. At least you'll know.